We're going to start with eViacam, our first software. The most important thing is to be well positioned. You can see green dots here, and when you like what camera picked on your face, you click to confirm it. Now you're able to move the cursor. My advice to you is not to move it too much, because the calibration can be lost. We have calibrated the cursor and we can move it. Now I have to explain you this option bar up here. Option bar allows you to do things with the cursor. For example, by default is to perform the left click. If you want to pause, you can do a pause here. If you want to scroll, you can do it here. And if you want to do right click, click here. Drag options here, and this is double click. If you hold it for a longer period of time, it will lock. So the locker will appear here. And now this becomes the default action. And if you want to change it, you need to click again and keep it. If you do just like this, the action will function only once. So this is the option bar, and actions that you have with eViacam are left click, right click, drag option, double click, and scrolling. Now I will show you an example of how to open a file and how to use it. So we can rotate it, we can enlarge it, zoom in as much as we want. We have a thumbnail here and we can click on it. And with this, we can choose the part of the picture. If you want, you can expand the picture in this way, but you can also use drag and drop. This is for only once, for example, like this. Then you have to stop the cursor and then it is released. Now it is the click mode again, because we didn't set the lock option. When we do, we can move it several times like this, and then stop, and then again like this. And we have to turn it off if we want to stop the lock option. One more thing I want to say is that this has to be turned on if you want option bar to be seen. And if you want to stop cursor, just click here. Moving on to Nouse. So again, position is important. Be comfortable in front of the camera. Let's open the Nouse. In settings, it is possible to open the program together with the computer. The movement in Nouse is easier and better. There is no recalibration and it's easier to move than with eViacam, so you should feel more comfortable. But we will see. When you're in the right position, open the Nouse software. You have to calibrate it. How to calibrate it? There are 3 types of calibration. First one is from the distance. You have to stay still. In the second one, you have to put your nose into the center of the cross when it says center. And after that, when it says leave, you can move the cursor. Okay, then I will explain to you that there are 2 appearances of the cursor in Nouse software. I will explain to you how to execute an action and what actions are there. After that, some warnings. Okay, let's start. So, be still, center the nose, and leave. Now the calibration is done, and this is our cursor. This joystick moves with a cross, and you just move your head, your nose, along this cross. It is easier to move this cursor than in the previous software. Going up is faster and there is no problem about reaching any corner of the screen. So the joystick, the purple mode, it is for moving. There is another mode, green mode or a clicking mode, for which you have to stop for a little bit. Okay, we have set the clicking time to 1 second, so when you stop, the green color will appear. But you have to do something to click. You have to do some specific actions. So, you can click by rotating your head to the left. You are performing a left click. By rotating your head to the right, you are performing a right click. By moving your head upwards, you are given several options, like drag and drop and so on. You will see them. And by moving your head downwards, you're doing a double click. But remember, your cursor has to be in the green action mode. That is why you have to stop the cursor for a second. For example, I move my head upwards and there are some options which you will see. When the mouse is still, if you're talking, you have to be careful because Nouse has mouth clicking option. If you're standing still and your mouth is open, you can easily perform a click without even wanting to do it. So be careful about that. You can also disable this option. Let's give some example now. So we want to click here. Now I clicked only by opening my mouth. So you wait the green mode and open your mouth, or you turn your head left to perform a click. We have to say in this computer we have configured single click as double click. Now, same as before, we can rotate the sample and change the size and so on. If we want drag and drop, we have to wait for the green mode and move our head upwards and choose the drag option. As the previous one, to leave drag and drop, you have to wait for some time and perform a left click. Okay. Now we're moving on to the third software, Camera Mouse. We have to calibrate it by choosing a point on your face, like this. It is calibrated, and you can move the cursor after a few seconds. As you can see, the cursor movement is not still like the other ones. Then you have to go to Settings to enable clicking and enable double clicking if you need it, and whatever you wish from the settings. Now you are able to click with your cursor. So, same as eViacam, I recommend you not to move too much because sometimes it recalibrates itself and the point that you have chosen moves from your shoulder or somewhere else, which is not what is the best for you, so it will become hard for you to control the cursor. This software is a little bit poor with the actions. You cannot do drag and drop. You can just perform left click and double click. Again, by waiting, and then you perform left click. And since you don't have a drag and drop option, you can control the image like this on the thumbnail, choosing what is the best for you. And that is the only way. So, for eViacam and Camera Mouse, do not move too much. For Nouse, maybe it is more complicated to do drag and drop and some options of clicking, but it is up to you to see which program is the best for you.